Hearing a cat purring is great, it's awesome. As your cat is showing their affection for you. Purring and meowing is how cats communicate with humans. Meowing could mean pleased to see you or feed me now. My cat keeps flicking its tail, another way of expressing annoyance or anger. Oh no, my cat's whiskers are falling out, or changing color. This is a sign of aging. My cat can't see. Cats can be short-sighted due to the shape and size of their eyes. They find it very hard to focus on objects 250 centimeters away. Their whiskers help compensate for this. You see your cat is heading for you with tail vibrating in the air. What does this mean? Should I be worried? No, it means your cat is in a good mood and pleased to see you. Your cat is yawning, it must be bored. No research shows yawning helps charge cat's brain functions, sending it more oxygen. Your cat is yawning. Experts say this could also comparable to use humans saying talk to the hand. Your cat is yawning. This could also mean I surrender. No stress, please. If cats are in conflict with other cats or animals, they will often yawn to end the confrontation. Or they could just be imitating humans. Laugh out loud. Cats demonstrate their total trust in you by exposing their bellies. When they lies on their back and let you scratch their belly, they are displaying total trust and love for you. A cat's stomach is a vulnerable area, and its movement and vital organs are exposed. That normally they would be very guarded about being in this position. Cats will build a special vocabulary or body language with their owners. Purring, meowing, or gentle biting are all part of this. The average cat can jump up to 6 times their length. Cats have incredibly strong muscles and fast reflexes that allow them to move with grace and great agility. In a single bound, the average cat can jump over a height of 5 to 8 feet using its back leg muscles.